Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to quickly level up your design projects with professional-looking illustrations, without having to start from scratch, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you just how easy it is to find, customize, and use beautiful illustrations in Figma in under 2 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enrich your interfaces, presentations, or client work with standout visuals, even if you're not an artist. Let's jump right in. First off, let's open up Figma and head straight to the Templates and Tools section. If you've never used this area before, think of it as Figma's secret treasure chest. It's where you can find pre-made resources, from wireframes to, you guessed it, illustrations that the Figma community and professionals have shared. To get started, look for the search bar or filtering option in this section. Go ahead and type in illustrations. Press enter, and in just a second you'll see a wide collection of illustration packs, styles, and themes pop up in front of you. This step is like browsing through a digital art gallery where all the art is ready for you to use. The reason we're searching here is to save tons of time that would otherwise be spent drawing every little detail ourselves. Now scroll through the results and take a moment to pick out a design that really fits your project's mood or the message you want to share. Maybe you need something playful for an app onboarding screen, or a more sleek and minimal style for a corporate presentation slide. There are options for just about every need. Don't rush this part. Even though the process is quick, choosing the right illustration can really make your project pop. Once something catches your eye, click on it to preview the template in detail. If you like what you see, hit the Open in Figma button. This will duplicate the illustration into your own workspace so you can edit it freely. With the template open in your Figma file, you now have full creative control. You can easily customize colors, move or resize elements, swap in your own brand palette, or tweak little details to better match your style. For example, if you're working on a website for a coffee shop, you might want to edit an illustration to use coffee tones. Just select the shapes, adjust their color, and see the mood shift instantly. This part is incredibly powerful because it lets you put your unique spin on high-quality visuals, even if you wouldn't consider yourself a professional illustrator. Don't worry if things look a bit complex at first. Figma makes it easy to undo changes if something doesn't look right. Take your time, play around, and explore. Once you're happy with your customized illustration, you can simply drag and drop it right into your designs. Export it as a PNG or SVG, or even save it as a component for use in multiple projects. And here's an extra tip. Even if you don't end up using the whole illustration, breaking it apart can give you inspiration for your own illustrations. Sometimes, just seeing how others approach visual storytelling sparks new ideas for your own designs. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you now have a fast and effective way to bring beautiful, fully customized illustrations into your Figma projects, saving you time, boosting creativity, and impressing your team or clients. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave any questions or tips you have in the comments below. I read every one. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.